Lesson 13, Teacher Feedback in Schoology. Our objective is to develop the habit of frequently checking your grades and looking for teacher feedback. I'd like to take a moment to share this Cyber Student Success tip. Regularly checking your grade report and looking for teacher feedback helps you to stay on track with suggested due dates and provides you with the opportunity to resubmit work to improve your score if time allows before the deadline. When you're going to check for teacher feedback, there are two ways you can access this information. First is on the top of the Schoology website page in the blue bar, click on Grade Report. It's as simple as that. The other option is when you're logged in on any course page, click on Grades. You can find that if you look underneath the course logo, and the third item down is Grades. If you click on that, that will as well open up the grade report, but just for that class.
In addition to finding out how many points you earned on a submission, you should always take the time to look for comments from your teachers. Let's look at some general feedback in the gradebook. Here's the Student's Launchpad course. We're going to click on Grades and check this out. You can see how they did on each of their folders so far. And then there are some general comments. This student was exempt for a homework pass. They didn't score well on this lesson, but there's a comment here to please answer number 4 and 5. Some other general comments here. This student earned a homework pass for participation in a group lesson. And on this item, they only scored 1 out of 30 points. But here's why. It's a blank worksheet, and the teacher is suggesting that they please resubmit the assignment. Another success tip. Check your course gradebook several times throughout the week. Submit any missing work and consider resubmitting assignments you could do better on. Let's explore question-specific feedback next. Let's take a look at an Intro to Algebra course. We'll click on the Grades tab. You can see in this example that this student has been pretty busy submitting assignments for this quarter. All right, and most of the grades are very good. 10.5 out of 15, 9 out of 10. But as we get towards the bottom, we can see there's a few assignments here where they did not do well on. Let's check out this last one, Lesson 9. I'm going to click on it right from the gradebook. All right, and you can see that they earned 3 out of 7 points. This little talk bubble is indicating that there is a comment specific to a particular question on this assignment. So we're going to click View Assessment to view this student's submission. Okay, let's scroll down and see here. All right, so question number 1, they earned 2 out of 3 points. All right, and there is a specific comment from the teacher. Great work. Just be sure to give 2 examples as well. All right, they can also see that on question number 2, they answered incorrectly. All right, so this student has the opportunity to go back and resubmit this quiz simply by going to the Test Quiz tab and starting a new attempt. Okay, now the student knows that they need to give examples on question number 1, and they can try again on question number 2. Digging a little deeper into your gradebook and looking for teacher feedback is a useful tool for improving your grades. At AHCCS, most of your work can be resubmitted before mid-quarter and end-of-quarter deadlines. Now that you've watched this instructional video, complete the assignment by downloading the Lesson 13 Checking for Teacher Feedback PowerPoint worksheet. You'll be opening your Launchpad gradebook to answer a few questions on the worksheet slides. Next, save the worksheet under a new file name. Upload the L13 assignment through Schoology.